Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. So in Python, errors can stop your program suddenly. So exception handling helps you prevent program crashes, show user-friendly messages, handle unexpected input safely. So for exception handling, we use try where risky code goes, except where error is handled, else runs if no error occurs, and finally always runs. So let's learn with real examples. So let's start this. So we'll start by handling a division by 0 error. So here a divided by b, this caused an error division by 0, and so for that we'll use except. So here we are using 0 division error except and will print. So we'll see how gracefully this will handle the error and your program will not crash. So let's see its output. So here we can see the output that your program didn't crash and you cannot divide by 0 is printed. Now moving on to the second one. So the second one is handling a wrong input type. So when we'll enter a wrong input type, we'll get a value error and we'll see how we'll handle this. So ABC cannot be converted into integer and value error is raised and error is handled safely using except. So we'll see its output. So here we can see invalid number format is printed, and if we don't use try and except, this will print an error. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is file not found error. So here we'll open a file which is not found or which is not created, and here we'll handle this error by except that file not found, and now we'll see its output. So here we can see that file does not found. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is handling multiple errors. So here we are taking an input from the user. So here this handles two different errors, wrong input value error and 0 input means 0 division error. So we'll see what output does it gives. So here we can see when I entered a string, so it gave us a message that enter a number. So this is how gracefully we handle multiple errors together. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is using else block. So here also we are taking an input from the user. So here else runs only if no error happens and keeps the logic clean. Now we'll see its output. So here you can see as I entered A, it gave us the wrong input, and as we enter a number, this will give the same exact number. Okay, now moving on to the next one. So the next one is use finally block. So in this example we'll use the finally block. So here finally runs no matter what, and this is used for cleanup, closing files or connections. So we'll see the output of this. So here we can see the output. Okay, now moving on to the next one. So the next one is catching all errors. So here this catches any error and E stores the actual error message. So now we'll see its output. So here we can see the output, and if we enter 0, this will give us the errors division by 0. So if you like this video, do like, share, subscribe for more Python tutorials, and thanks for watching today's video.